Hi fam, a very good morning and welcome back to my channel. So yeah, as you have already seen the title, you can come to know by now that I am going to this KTM showroom to check out few bikes because I have sold my baby and I am looking into those adventure bikes. So yeah, probably today we will be doing an test ride for this Adventure 390 and Duke 390. Just to Duke 390 is just to make a comparison, so that I could know what is the difference between the engines for these naked sports and the adventure tourers. So yeah, that's it. And you might wonder whose bike I am on right now. This bike is Vishal, as I have already mentioned that he has got his new Dominar 250. So we are on it and going to this Begumpet KTM. Just going to get that bike now and do a test ride. I think it is in the service center, which is actually beside this showroom. I will see you on the bike once I'm on it, trying to take out the bike.
While you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire.
I don't think something is wrong with this bike, as it is this test vehicle from the showroom. Have to see how it actually goes. For now I'm though pretty good, like I'm well satisfied, but 4 lakhs for this is something I have to think again. Why is it actually leaving off the bike? there is a quick torque that you can feel. Oh, very impressive. Very maneuverable. It takes off like a jerk. Test driven that Adventure 390, and trust me guys, it is an best adventure tourer in that segment. I like, what to say, I'm like out of words. The torque that it produced, or the thing that it did, was amazing. Just that it was not in a good condition, the bike which I drove, but it did to its best. There are many features we get with that, with an 4 lakhs price tag, where you get this let's say 12 volt the battery charger, which we usually find in the cars and all. And you will also get this off-road ABS and auto blipper and the quick shifter. All these are included, and the main thing is the traction control is included, which is very important for this slushy roads. I'm like 80% sure that I would just buy this pre-owned bike, but there is a 20% chance of getting a new one, because if